In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Squarespace site. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure everything is clear. So, whether you're moving to a different platform or simply want to have a backup of your content, this guide will help you get it done efficiently. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Squarespace website. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account where your site is hosted. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage and logged in, you'll need to find the option that says Get Started. This is usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to locate. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Get Started, you will be routed to the dashboard. This is the control center for your site, where you can manage all the essential settings and configurations. From here, we're moving on to the next step. Look for the Settings menu, which is typically on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once you've opened the settings, navigate to Advanced. You'll see several options here, but the one we're interested in is Import/Export. Click on that to proceed. On the Import/Export page, you should see an option to export. Go ahead and click on this. You're now one step closer to having your site data downloaded. What happens when you click Export is that Squarespace starts preparing your content for download. It's important to remember that this feature exports your static Squarespace pages, and not everything may carry over, especially highly interactive elements or complex page structures. Once you've hit Export, you'll be asked to select the format for the export. Squarespace is designed to work smoothly with WordPress as an export destination, which makes transitioning between these platforms relatively easy. So here, you'll want to select WordPress as your export format. This will ensure your site's content is arranged in a way that's compatible with WordPress, and it's generally a good option even if you're not moving to WordPress immediately, as it provides a versatile XML format. With the format selected, Squarespace will now generate the XML file for you. This may take a little time depending on how much content needs to be exported, so be patient. When the process is complete, you'll be given the opportunity to download the file. Click on the option to download the generated XML file and make sure to save it somewhere secure on your device. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Squarespace site. Now you can utilize this file as needed, whether that means uploading it to a new platform or keeping it as a backup. Remember, exporting doesn't remove the site from Squarespace, so your original site will remain unchanged. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.